Alright, welcome. This video will give you some tips on stop motion. So any movie that you watch that's animated takes 24 frames per second. That means there's 24 pictures for every second of the movie. So take lots of pictures and make just small changes. So in the stop motion app, to change the rate of how quickly your video is going, you load up your movie. Okay, and then when you click on that little settings wheel, there's an option to change what's called the frame rate, so how quickly the frames show. So if I bump mine down to just 1 frame per second and play my movie, you can see my little gecko just kind of crawls super slowly across the screen, and you can see each little change really easily. If I bump it up really high, so if I go all the way up to 30 frames per second, which is even more pictures than something like Finding Nemo, you can see it goes too fast. Okay, that's 30 frames for every second of video. So try to see if you can get something that looks natural but also has a lot of frames. Okay, so if I put it at 10 frames per second, he goes across, maybe still a little bit too fast. So if I bump it down to something that around, let's say, 7 frames per second, and when I play my video back, let's see, so he looks kind of like a natural moving gecko as he goes across the screen. So try to make yours look natural with lots of frames.